Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready to meet some incredible talents. People who push past boundaries and make the impossible look easy. All right, let's dive in. In the heart of the jungle, where ancient trees tower over, there is a silent hero, a specialized timber transport truck. More than just a means of transport, this is a powerful machine designed to conquer the most rugged terrain, carrying the mission of bringing precious timber from the depths of the jungle back to life. Outstanding all-terrain capabilities, Kenworth trucks are truly the top choice for the toughest roads. They are designed to deliver optimal performance and incredible durability, helping you conquer any challenge. Colombia's vital roads have been left to crumble, a stark reminder of years of neglect. Imagine the countless journeys blocked, economic opportunities lost, and vibrant communities cut off by roads that have simply been forgotten. With a surge of adrenaline, the driver tackles the treacherous 8% gradient, each turn a gamble against all odds. The tricky gradient requires absolute concentration, as the car teeters on the brink of control, pushing both machinery and nerves to their limits.
Lên rồi nhanh nha. Như vậy là cũng đã lên nha. Nếu không có
Spectacular rescue. Three-wheel drive vehicle battles muddy road, saves giant timber truck in the middle of a rainstorm. After a torrential downpour, the forest road turned into a muddy trap, swallowing the bulky timber truck. It seemed all hope was lost, but from the rain, a brave three-wheel drive warrior appeared. The timber truck crashed in the ultimate rescue. A breathtaking situation occurred when the heavily loaded timber truck suddenly sank deep into the mud, seemingly unable to escape. All self-efforts became hopeless before the power of the mud. After the fierce competition at the Gryazeme's 42 off-road event in Prokopyevsk, the legendary ZIL truck did not hesitate to show its carefree side. Instead of resting, this 4X, 4 and 6X6 machine continued to make trouble on the muddy roads, proving its enduring strength and indomitable spirit even after the race ended.
Что творит, да? Запредельные там. Прямо что ли решил?
Come see the exciting competition. Whose dump truck has the tightest 3 gears in this event? At the Cassette Wisai meeting, meet the best dump trucks and cheer for the power of each truck at the Cassette Wisai meeting. The braking system of this Torton truck is truly impressive, providing extremely safe and stable stopping ability even when carrying heavy loads. With advanced braking technology, this vehicle not only stops quickly but also controls its large weight effectively, giving the driver complete peace of mind on every journey. The crash comes to life as giant trucks take over the arena. Forget traditional tractors. This is tractor pull, where pure power and efficiency come first. Witness giant vehicles pulling a massive load and trying to pull it as far as they can. The Hazen Park project marked an important milestone when the die-plater Met Borstelling successfully completed its mission and left the construction site. This event demonstrates the outstanding progress and thorough preparation of the project, opening a new and promising development phase. When you hear the deep, resonant Jake brake in the distance, it's more than just the sound of a truck slowing down. For those who truly appreciate it, it's a powerful symphony of the road, an unmistakable sign of steel giants conquering all terrains. most dangerous situations, when superior power and incredible durability are needed, the Tatra T815 VBN 6x6 truck is always ready. Equipped with the powerful T148 winch system, this machine is not only a means of transport, but also a real hero in rescue work. Witness incredible power. Mega Move's 2007 Peterbilt 357 quad-axle tri-drive IVE STX roars down the road, pulling a massive wind turbine gearbox with a total weight of 392,000 pounds. This is more than just a ride. It's a spectacular display of engineering and sheer power.
Và khúc cua này cũng là một khúc cua rất là lớn luôn nhé. Hai chân đầu kéo đang nối nhau lên. Khá là lớn này. Hai chiếc nối nhau lên.
Harvest time is in full swing, and your trusty two-wheel tractor is loaded with golden rice, ready for transport. But then, disaster strikes. The soft, saturated soil of the rice paddies gives way, and your vehicle, wheels spinning helplessly, sinks in, mud swallowing the tires. It's a common yet frustrating sight for many Vietnamese farmers. Surely many farmers have experienced the half-crying, half-laughing scene. A double-wheel tractor loaded with heavy rice suddenly sinks so deep that the wheels are submerged in mud. This is not only an incident that causes work to be delayed, but also a great challenge to the strength and patience of the farmers. Fang 40 tractor, a reliable companion of Vietnamese farmers. In the context of modern agriculture, the Fang 40 tractor has emerged as a powerful assistant, especially in transporting rice. And a shock Leyland truck, normally a giant of the road, found itself in a difficult situation. Its giant tires, designed to conquer many miles, were now swallowed by thick, sticky mud. Come see the exciting competition. Whose dump truck has the tightest 3 gears in this event? At the Cassette Wisai meeting, meet the best dump trucks and cheer for the power of each truck at the Cassette Wisai meeting.
这也太不了。
Đừng vào gần nhá. Những người thông minh trên cái lối đi riêng. Nào gió lao thế này đợi lại rồi.
Thank you for watching. I hope these moments will help you relax after a stressful day at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye, and see you again.